Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best trampoline ladders that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Pure Fun Trampoline Ladder. Pure Fun Trampoline Ladder is a great option for you if you want to climb on your trampoline easily and without any risks. The ladder is tough and sturdy because of the carbon steel construction. The resilience of iron is also amalgamated with the carbon steel for durability and hardwariness. This strong construction makes sure that the ladder does not damage even with the harmful UV rays of the sun. Their height of 38 inches is perfect for most of the outdoor trampolines and will give a sufficient lift. These durable ladders will last for years to come. The bottoms of this ladder are also covered with rubber to prevent slips. It can bear a weight up to 220 pounds. So, this is the best ladder which will make sure that your children climb up safely. This is slip resistant, tough and durable. Moving on at number 4, we have Skywalker Trampoline Kit. This is an incredibly beneficial accessory kit with a power-packed combo of ladder, storage bag and wind stakes. Most of the trampolines from different brands can easily integrate these items because of their flexibility. The 4 wind stakes are perfect to use with your rope and would reduce the threat of any damage. The ladder is also easy to assemble and has arched frame for securely holding with the trampoline. The hooks tightly attach to the sides of your trampoline and allow steady footing. One of the best things about this kit is its 2-pocket storage bag which can be attached below the spring pad. You can use this place for keeping your articles while jumping. Heavy-gauged galvanized steel is used to make this ladder which is very strong. It also makes the ladder rust-resistant and durable. The manufacturer also gives a 90-day warranty on the product to make this deal even more attractive. At number 3, we have N1 Fit Trampoline Ladder. This trampoline ladder is sturdy, weather-resistant and fits most trampolines. The bars and hooks are made of high-durability galvanized steel while the steps are constructed of heavy-duty plastic. It includes the tools required for assembly. The materials are heat-resistant to prevent deterioration and burns. The 3-step design is safer than 2-step models and easier for younger children to use. It has a low weight limit of only 200 pounds. Some consumers had difficulties assembling the ladder. The steps may not be flat depending on the angle of the ladder. At number 2, we have Guard Nature Trampoline Ladder. This 2-step trampoline ladder makes a great budget pick. The hooks fit most trampoline bars and the 39-inch length is long enough for most trampoline heights. It has a solid 250-pound weight limit. The flat bottom resists sinking into soft ground. It's rust-resistant. It has a lifetime warranty that covers many issues. Some consumers had difficulty assembling the ladder. The steps may dig into feet at odd angles. The 2-step design is difficult for small children to use. The trampoline ladder makes it easier and safer for children to enter and exit the trampoline and makes parents feel more at ease. And finally at number 1. Jump Sport Trampoline Ladder. 3-step ladder is more suitable to small kids. An extra step means more easy and stable climbing. Therefore, this 3-step trampoline ladder from JumpSport is an ideal accessory for your trampoline which is 10 x 17 feet in dimension. It works best with double bed power bounce and other high-end models from the JumpSport double bed models. High support and sturdy steps will give much-needed protection to your kids while they are climbing. So, when children will feel safe on this ladder, adults on the other hand will find it extremely easy to climb. The rungs are also wider and safer, making it easy to step steadily. The material used in the fabrication of this ladder is effective in keeping it long-lasting by preventing damage from water and UV rays. It has a non-permanent installation that allows the ladder to be removed when not in use.